how to turn off the SOS Only on Android. Hey everybody and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to demonstrate how to do that on our Android device. So let's just get started. So for that, we can go to our settings of our device. And once we are there, we can go to the safety and the emergency section. So find that option within your device, tap on it. And within here, we'll be finding an option called emergency SOS. So here, if we want to turn it off, what we can do is we can just go over and turn on off this option. So we have this option called emergency SOS message. We can tap on it in order to turn it off. Similarly, we have other options as well, such as medical info. Tap on it and you can find, medical info regarding medical info settings. You can just go and find it up and turn it off. We even have an option called emergency mode. Tap on it and you can just go over and turn this option off as well. You can just go over and turn this toggle option off, and that should also work out for you in the home screen. When you turn it on, it will be changed to dark mode to use less battery, and you will be able to see all the messages, contacts, and emergency calls. But other applications and functions will be restricted. But in order to turn it off, you can just go over and tap on the toggle option and it will be turned off. The settings may vary depending upon device, but you can just go over and follow up this process. If the phone is stuck in SOS only mode, then you can just go over and restart your phone as well. Hold the power button for that. Tap on the restart option and force a reconnection to the network. This is also possible. Or you can just head over and access your quick settings panel and look out for the airplane mode. And you can turn this option on and then wait for 10 seconds and turn it off once again. And that should also work out for you. If not this, we can also reset our network settings. Go to settings for that, and within settings we can search for reset network settings. So for that, we can scroll down, find the option for general management, and within there look out for the option called reset, and look out for this option called reset network settings and confirm it up, and it should refresh the Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and mobile data, also turning off the SOS only mode on our Android device. And that's it. Usually these are the methods you can follow up in order to turn it off, which should be pretty quick and easy. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.